10 Food you should not put in refrigerator. Number 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes lose all their flavor in the fridge because the cold air stops the ripening process. Refrigeration also changes their texture. Number 2. Avocados. Trying to ripen your avocados? Definitely don't put them in the fridge. However, already ripe ones that you aren't going to use right away can go in there. Number 3. Potatoes. Keeping potatoes in the fridge will make them sweet and gritty, since the cold environment turns their starch into sugar more quickly. Instead, store them in a paper bag in a cool, but not cold, place. Number 4. Honey. Honey will stay good practically forever if you keep it tightly sealed at room temperature. Number 5. Bread. The refrigerator will dry out your bread quickly. Unless it's sliced sandwich bread that you plan on using in the next few days, keep it in the freezer or on the counter instead. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic will start to sprout in the fridge eventually. It may also get rubbery and moldy, so it's best to keep in a cool, dry place. Number 7. Coffee. Leaving coffee beans or grounds in the fridge will make them lose their flavor and even take on the flavor of foods around them. Store large quantities in the freezer, and smaller amounts in a cool, dark place. Number 8. Onions. The moisture of the refrigerator will eventually turn onions soft and moldy. Keep them in a cool, dry place instead. But don't put them near your potatoes. When stored together, both deteriorate faster. Number 9. Basil. It's better to keep basil sitting out in a fresh cup of water, like cut flowers. It wilts faster in the refrigerator and absorbs the smells of all the food around it. Number 10. Olive oil. Storing olive oil in the fridge will make it condense and turn into a harder, butter-like consistency.